Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2005 MK Mitsubishi Triton GLXR. This shape ran from the 10th month 1996 to the 6th month 2006. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This vehicle is fitted with a 6G72 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 4-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. We have the left-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the tailgate, tow bar, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand rear door, right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Manual transmission gear stick, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, tidy interior mirror, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.